This is a quick video on replacing the secondary battery of your Neo Alphasmart. This is something that you need to do when you start seeing this error where it says an unexpected data change occurred and it asks about the lithium backup battery. So this comes with 3 main AA batteries and then also a secondary backup, and this is just a quick video that walks through replacing that battery. You need 2 types of screws for this. The first is a Phillips, just a standard Phillips screwdriver for this particular piece. I've already removed it, and this is where you're going to see, again, the AA batteries. But you're also going to need additional screws. You're going to need specifically the torque. So let me just pull out a nicer one, or a larger one, I should say here. So I don't know if it's the same with everybody else's Neo, but for me, I had a lot of trouble because the screws for the back of the machine are these type, which is torque. You're going to need the torque 9, and then you're also going to need a 5. So what I bought was a Husky, just torque set, so that I had both the 9 and the 5. 5 being the smallest one right here. You can see here is one of the screws. There it is. And it was a giant pain in my butt to have to go and find this and replace it. Or actually, did I say 5? Hang on. 6. T6. You're going to need the T6. That's what the tiny one is. And then you're going to need the T9. So now what we'll go ahead and do is I'm just going to quick replace or remove the batteries and then take off the back. There's 2 different screw sizes. So these are the T9s on the top, and then these are the T6s on the bottom. So we'll just lift this up. So the removal is pretty simple, thankfully. So there are 2 security screws over here on the right hand side, and this is the battery that you're going to replace. So you will just use the T6 and you unscrew both of these very carefully, not entirely. So I mean, that's what I'm saying. So basically what I did, and I'm going to be honest with you here, if you take a look, right here there's this little nub, and in order to be able to get the battery over this nub, you have to unscrew these 2 screws. So I did that, but I didn't pull them out. I only unscrewed them far enough so that I could just get the battery out. It's up to you on what you want to do there, but I figured better safe than sorry. I would just do the bare minimum just to be able to slide the battery out. It's very easy. You can just push it from one of the holes in the back. I used this again just to slide it out, and you're going to be replacing it with a 2032 battery. This is actually the one that I pulled out. Come on, 2032. So then when you put it in there, in theory now, you should get that warning that you saw at the beginning, and you should be able then to just say, yes, I replaced the battery, and you should hopefully not get that error anymore, and everything should be good to go. That's my main hope with this, is that I will not get that error anymore, but we're going to find out. So, but that's how I was able to replace the backup battery, and there were some videos, but I thought I'd just make a quick one myself, as I hadn't seen any that were a little more recent. So comment down below if you have any questions. Otherwise, thank you.